Earning money with zero investment is a challenge many people face, especially when starting out. The good news is that in today's digital world, there are numerous ways to generate income without any upfront costs. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time opportunity, leveraging your skills, time, and creativity can open doors to financial growth. This video explores practical methods for earning money with zero investment, offering solutions that require nothing more than dedication and a willingness to work. From freelancing to content creation, the opportunities are vast, and they could be just what you need to start your financial journey today. Freelancing, sell your skills. One of the best ways to earn money with zero investment is by freelancing. If you possess skills such as writing, graphic design, video editing, or programming, you can start offering your services online through platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. These websites allow you to connect with clients globally and work on various projects. To get started, create a compelling profile that showcases your skills and make sure to highlight any relevant experience. You don't need fancy equipment to begin. A basic laptop and internet connection will suffice. As you build your portfolio, you can start charging higher rates for your services, eventually making freelancing a stable source of income. Content creation. Start a YouTube channel or blog. Content creation is another excellent way to earn money without investing upfront. YouTube and blogging platforms are free to use and can eventually generate a steady stream of income through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. If you're knowledgeable or passionate about a particular subject, such as cooking, fitness, tech reviews, or even daily vlogs, you can start creating videos or articles to share with an audience. Success in content creation often requires time and consistency, but once you start gaining followers, the rewards can be substantial. Over time, you can monetize your content through Google AdSense, sponsored posts, and affiliate links, turning your passion into profit. Affiliate marketing. Earn through referrals. Affiliate marketing is a simple yet effective way to earn money online without any initial investment. It involves promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral link. Many companies, including Amazon, offer affiliate programs that allow individuals to promote their products and earn a percentage of the sales. To get started with affiliate marketing, you'll need to sign up for an affiliate program and receive a unique referral link. You can promote these links through various platforms, such as social media, blogs, or YouTube. The key to success in affiliate marketing is selecting products that resonate with your audience and providing honest, useful recommendations. Online surveys and microtasks. Earn in your spare time. If you're looking for an easy way to make money in your free time, online surveys and microtasking websites are excellent options. Platforms like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Amazon Mechanical Turk pay users to complete simple tasks such as answering surveys, watching videos, or testing products. While the earnings from these platforms may not be substantial, they can be a great way to make some extra cash without much effort. The key here is consistency. The more tasks you complete, the more you'll earn. This method is perfect for individuals who want to make a few extra dollars in their downtime without any financial investment. Virtual assistants provide administrative support. As more businesses move online, the demand for virtual assistants has skyrocketed. Virtual assistants perform various tasks such as managing emails, scheduling appointments, and handling customer service queries. If you're organized and good at multitasking, this could be an ideal way to earn money with zero investment. You can offer virtual assistant services on freelancing platforms or connect with business owners directly through LinkedIn. All you need is a computer and an internet connection to get started. Over time, you can build a reputation as a reliable assistant and potentially turn this side hustle into a full-time job. Social media management. Leverage your knowledge. If you're savvy with social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok, you can earn money by managing accounts for small businesses or individuals. Many companies recognize the importance of maintaining a strong online presence but lack the time or expertise to do so. That's where you come in. By offering social media management services, you can help businesses grow their followers, engage with customers, and increase sales. You don't need any upfront investment to start, just your knowledge and ability to manage multiple accounts effectively. As you gain experience, you can charge higher rates and expand your client base. Online tutoring. Share your knowledge. If you excel in a particular subject, online tutoring is a great way to earn money without any initial investment. Platforms like Chegg, Tutor.com, and Preply allow you to offer tutoring services to students worldwide. Whether you specialize in math, science, languages, or even music, there is always a demand for knowledgeable tutors. All you need to get started is a reliable internet connection and a willingness to teach. As you build your reputation, you can set your rates and choose the hours that work best for you. Online tutoring can be both a flexible and lucrative way to make money, especially if you enjoy helping others learn. Dropshipping. Start an online store. Dropshipping is an e-commerce business model that allows you to sell products online without holding any inventory. Instead of purchasing products up front, you partner with suppliers who ship the products directly to your customers when they make a purchase. This eliminates the need for significant capital investment and allows you to focus on marketing and sales. To start a dropshipping business, all you need is an online store. Platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce offer free trials, allowing you to set up your store and start selling without any upfront costs. As you build your business, you can reinvest your profits into paid advertising to grow your customer base. Sell digital products. Create once, sell forever. Digital products such as eBooks, online courses, or design templates offer a unique way to earn money with zero investment. Once you create a digital product, you can sell it repeatedly without any additional effort. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or Etsy allow creators to sell digital products without any upfront costs. If you're knowledgeable in a particular area or have creative skills, you can create a product that solves a problem or adds value to others. Creating high-quality content that appeals to your target audience is the key to successful selling of digital products. Once your product is listed, it can become a passive income stream that earns you money long after you've created it. Participate in the gig economy. Drive, deliver, or rent. The gig economy offers a range of opportunities to earn money with zero investment, especially if you own a car or have extra space in your home. Platforms like Uber, Lyft, and DoorDash allow individuals to earn money by driving people, delivering food, or running errands. Additionally, if you have a spare room or property, you can rent it out on platforms like Airbnb and make money without investing in a business. These platforms require minimal setup, and you can start earning as soon as you're approved. The flexibility of the gig economy makes it an ideal option for individuals looking to earn money on their terms without any financial risk. Start earning today. In conclusion, making money with zero investment is entirely achievable, especially with the wealth of opportunities available online today. Whether you're freelancing, creating content, or offering a skill you already have, the potential to earn is at your fingertips. The most important thing is to stay consistent, keep learning, and don't be afraid to try new things. It may take time, but every effort moves you closer to financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on building your income without spending a dime.